where I am. Can you see? Can you tell? Back in Rio de Janeiro, baby. Yes, so there's a lot of noise, I know. But I am so happy to be back, even though I really enjoyed my trip away. You will see a lot of the highlights from my trip in a little bit. But today it's a Sunday here. It's a usually kind of busy day, but it feels like it's extra busy because today is their election day, like some local government type of election. And in the morning it was kind of very quiet. But now there are lots of people out to enjoy the beach. The bicycle riders, all about. We have to wait across before we get hit down. It's crazy. As you can see, lots and lots and lots and lots of people all around. Yeah. So we're going out too to enjoy some of what's here. Well, not really for me, for our daughter, because she is just so in love with water. Yes. So we're going to take her for a little dip and enjoy our Sunday afternoon here in Rio de Janeiro. So I'm on the beach now. I'm enjoying the weather. I hear that the whole week I will have some sun, so I'm really happy about that because well, when it rains here, it's just yeah. But you know, as I said, my first day back, we actually arrived this morning from Jamaica. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, it was really, really good to be in Jamaica. I mean, it just felt so at home. I mean, I know that wherever I go, I always enjoy because I like to, just experience the culture and just, get the feel of the people and see what it is that they love about their country and, their place. And so I just try to look at it from that point of view all the time. But, being in Jamaica was absolutely awesome. I got to do quite a bit. Not everything I wanted to do, I was able to do. Like some people I wanted to visit and unfortunately I was not able to visit. And also, there's some places to go to because Jamaica is filled with so many wonderful sights and places and all of that. But I did accomplish quite a bit in my 3 weeks there. Minyam. Yes, minyam. We drive all around, never get to stop everywhere as I said, but I did make a few stops and I'm going to do specific videos about those so that you can see more details about some of the places that I had gone to, whether in pictures or videos. But yes, that was really cool exploring my country again. And yeah, visiting friends and family and all of that. So it was really good. I enjoyed it and I'm just looking forward to, next time I'll be back. But probably that's sometime next year. So far since I've been away from Jamaica for the last 4 years. It's almost 4 years now that I'm living outside of Jamaica. I've been back every single year. Yes. Me and one with fling rock stone behind me. You understand? So yeah, I've been back. Looking forward to my next trip. But for the meantime, I'm here in Rio and I'm gonna continue to enjoy it. Sun, sea and sand. Well, seaside. Can you see the water around? Yeah. Dreadful. But I feel them beach this song. They're going to enjoy it too. Anyway, until next time, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe. Please keep watching. I got lots more stuff here. I'm going to really make a concerted effort now to make a lot more videos, okay? So watch. Alright? Bye guys. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm on my camera. As you can see, I am looking at my neighborhood. I am back in the hood. Woohoo!